Right guys, I've been asked to come down and have a look at this commercial boiler. It wasn't firing up and the guy was worried that it's gonna... The pressure has gone to zero and they're worried that in case the pressure is on zero and it's because of this really tiny leak. So anyway, this is on a gravity fed this system is. So that pressure gauge is not still relevant. What they do is they got a tank in the house in this building and that keeps the water maintained temperature. So that pump minor leak, I wouldn't worry about that. I think the maintenance guy says, listen, we have a leak, that's fine. And got the boiler fired up for them. The heat is working and that's it, hopefully. I was thinking if there's low pressure in the system, we'll fire the boiler up and this would have been going to 100 or 120 Celsius. But we had it on for about 5 minutes and it's fine right now. So this is the boiler room. Just to let you guys know. And there's my little toolbox. And this baby is providing heat for the whole building. And it's got a real burner on it. Top dog that is. Gas well. Sorted, yeah? So where can you find these guys? Birmingham boiler fix. Oh no. Have you got a little stool I can stand on? Just a bit. Right guys, this is a Vaillant boiler. I've been asked to have a look at it because it's not meant to holding pressure. The pressure relief valve is continually open. As soon as they repressurize it, all the water goes out of it. So we're going to change the pressure relief valve on this and then we're going to test it and see if there's any other issues on it. I have both the expansion vessel with me, just in case it's the cause of the problem. But carry on watching, I might need to change it at the end. Guys, if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham or Central South Birmingham, we repair all your favorite boilers from Biasi, Baxi, Worcester, Bosch, Vaillant and many more. Domestic or commercial, in most cases we repair them on the same day. We also repair Gledhill, pulsar coil, electric water tanks too. Okay, this is what he said. We do boiler servicing and landlord gas certificates. So if your boiler is broken down, don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Now changing a pressure relief valve is quite a simple process. All you gotta do is clip in, clip out, and there's just a compression nut at the bottom. Now you don't even have to drain the system because it's already drained, only because the pressure relief valve has failed. So the boiler is already empty. All you gotta do is take it out, put the new one in. But I'm gonna test it out just in case the expansion vessel's failed. So we're gonna test that. If that's okay, I'm gonna get out of here. If he has failed, then I'm gonna change the expansion vessel on it. Right, the boiler is holding pressure and I'm testing it out on chimney sweep. The temperature's gone up to 73 Celsius. If the if the expansion has failed, then the pressure would have gone to about 2.5. But it's holding pressure at 1.5. So I'm quite happy with that. So I'm going to pack up and move on to my next job now. Boys sorted. Birmingham boiler fix. Right guys, I've been asked to have a look at this Baxi and it's flashing E133. Now according to manufacturer's instructions, E133, sorry, gotta get my right here. E133. You can read it yourself. Right, anyway, there's an ignition issue on this. We're gonna look at this, we're gonna sort it out, we're gonna diagnose it, and we're gonna repair it. Hopefully. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna reset it. But before I do that, I gotta take this front power so I can see what's going on inside there. Right, got that open. There's the combustion chamber. I'm gonna reset it and then I'm gonna see what's going on with it here, guys. Ready, steady, go. That's the fan. Was it not what I'm expecting it? Alright, I'm gonna have to take it all out. Come on, baby. Boom, 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 boom. You know what? With the tap water, I can't hear nothing. I prefer testing it on central heating. Yeah, I prefer testing it on central heating rather than tap water. I'm making too much noise. And my fan's making a lot of noise as well. It's on its way, isn't it? But at least the spark generator is working, so there is spark there. So I'm going to check the electrodes there, and then after that, I guess it's going to be the gas valve. Okay, that made me jump. That made me jump, boy. Right, I'm quite happy with the spark electrodes, so they're okay. I guess he only leaves me with the gas valve. I'm gonna check the inlet pressure on the gas valve, check it all out, and the conclusion was the gas valve's faulty. So we're gonna change the gas valve. Luckily, I had one in my car. I'm gonna change the gas valve. I'm gonna test it and see how it goes. Right, guys, I've changed the gas valve on it, and I'm testing it out, and it's fired up now. So I'm gonna do all my safety checks on it, and that's it. Job done on this. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, keep smiling, stay positive. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. Warming up, that's warming up.